So one night a week, Jules and I throw axes in the Backyard Axe Throwing League. So we need something that's easy to cook, delicious, easy to eat, and will give us the fuel we need to win. Welcome friends, welcome back to the kitchen and another one of our Axe Night suppers. And tonight we're going to make a chicken cauliflower potato one-pan oven dish. So I'm going to start out with, this is Sopressata. Sopressata is a cured Italian salami, a little bit on the hot side. It's quite nice in a sandwich. And tonight I'm going to put this into this little food processor with some olive oil. And we're going to mix this up into kind of like a flavoring paste. I've got that nicely pureed. Now we're going to move on to the rest of the veg. So I've got an onion, and I'm just going to quarter the onion. I like big chunks of onion in this dish, and so into a bowl. Next we have about half of a head of cauliflower. And I just want to break up the florets so that they're a little bit smaller. That's still too big, so break them down a little bit so they cook a little bit faster and they brown nicely. Did I say cauliflower or broccoli? This is definitely cauliflower. If I said broccoli earlier, you know what I mean. Next up are these little potatoes. And they're almost the right size that you could put them in whole. I want to cut them in half, just so that we've got an open face to soak up some of the flavors that we're putting into this dish. And they brown a little bit more nicely that way too. And I gotta tell you, this knife that I got from my friend Gage, absolutely amazing. If you're not watching our Knife Expert series, take a look. You might get some tips. Last potato into the bowl. Okay, so a little bit of salt. You don't need too much salt because there will be a lot of salt in that cured meat. It's quite salty, so you don't need to add much at this point. Peppers in. Now, let's get this flavoring paste in here. We want to mix it in with the potato and the cauliflower and get everything covered. And then we're going to introduce the chicken pieces in there as well and sort of get this flavor all over everything. And of course, the only way to do it is with your hands. Okay, now let's slide in the chicken and get it coated as well. Now we dump it all into a really nice cast iron pan that we can put in the oven. And you want to arrange the chicken pieces on top, skin side up. Do your best. Doesn't have to be perfect. Almost forgot, I've got some thyme here, a few sprigs of thyme. And we just want to mix that in as well. So put some over the top and put some underneath. This goes into an oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and you cook it for anywhere between 45 minutes to an hour until the chicken is cooked through. It's got a nice roasty color on the top, and the cauliflower is roasted perfectly. So I'll see you in a little while. Hey, Jules.
Hey, Glenn. Hey, friends.
So,
this looks good. Smells good.
Yeah, it does smell really good. So let's just get a couple of pieces of everything out here so that we can taste it. A couple potatoes. So this is...
I just watch you unload it.
I mean, it's
Single pot?
It's single pan chicken roasted with cauliflower, potatoes, onion, thyme, and a sauce kind of made out of hot Italian salami.
Really? Hot Italian salami sauce?
Yeah. Hot Italian salami sauce. I'm going to come up with something better, I think, for that. But we'll see how it goes. I expect the chicken, you know, is going to taste like chicken. It's going to be...
I'm going to start with the cauliflower.
All right, chicken thighs, they're always juicy. Can't go wrong with them. The flavor is going to be in the crispy skin. Mm-hmm.
Cauliflower's great, but then I really like cauliflower. I don't think you can do that one. Oh, I can set the spicy bit there.
Yeah. So it just comes out, in the back of your throat. Excuse me.
It does build.
Mm-hmm. So the flavor is whatever salami you put in, and the thyme on top.
And the salami I'm assuming is the small little
The little
bits that I
pieces,
see
the little
on
pieces that you see everywhere. Yeah.
Now I'm in.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, in that case, can we have dinner?
Let's go have supper. Thanks for stopping by. See you again soon.